Are you ready to ombre some soap today? Well, join me in this video and underlay. Hello and good day, awesome people. Good day, good evening, good night, good morning. My name is Natacia and welcome. We're gonna ombre some soap today. If you haven't seen my previous video, this is the device that I said I was going to buy to help keep my mold stable and in a slant position so that I can do a lot of designs where I want the mold to be slanted at an angle. I'm only doing 2 colors today, but these 2 colors are going to ombre into more colors, which is a beautiful, elegant soap. I'm just using yellow and blue, and who knows what yellow plus blue equals. As I continuing adding color to my yellow base, you're gonna see that the color in the soap mold is gonna gradually ombre into a different color. If you want to do an ombre soap where the transitional colors are not as obvious, you kind of have to do this delicately, guys. This is not a marathon. It's not even a sprint, not even a skip, you guys. Maybe it's like one of those walking fast. I don't even know if it's that, to be honest with you, because if you want it to look seamless, you kind of got to take it in steps. Some more patient steps, you guys. You need to add the same amount of color into the base each time. You need to stir thoroughly to make sure it's fully incorporated, and you need to pour slowly and carefully so that it doesn't mess up the ombre effect. It's definitely something to focus on, but if you want beautiful, elegant soap, sometimes you just gotta do the sacrifice and take your time. So now I'm speeding up the video because you get the point. Pour slowly and delicately, and as you can start to see, you see the bottom layer is this nice beautiful sun yellow, and then it gradually fades into like this beautiful grassy sea greenish color, and then it's going to change again if you have the patience to look in this video, because some of y'all be skipping ahead. Don't think I don't know. But it transitions again and it's so beautiful. So guys, let's talk about this device I got, my new toy. So it's called a soap mold angular. This is called the Cheshire cat. It comes in white and it comes in black. I decided to get white. It's sold by Custom Craft Tools. I'll leave the information in the description box below. It angles your soap mold really nicely. It has like these little holes at the bottom where you can put pins in to keep it stable, and is great for holding your mold stable when you're trying to do certain angles and get certain types of designs in your cold process soap. So there are a lot of designs I would love to do over again now that I have something that's going to hold my mold stable and I'm not trying to balance it on some towel or a doorstop or something. But now, as you can see, it just takes a lot of the headache out, me having to worry about the soap mold moving, and then I can actually focus on getting the color in. Look how beautiful the ombre effect is starting to have. You see the yellow at the bottom, you see it gradually goes up into this light green, and now you're seeing it's turning into like this blue greenish color. Is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. You guys have to try out this soap design. I am so serious. So here we are the next day, and look at that beautiful soap loaf. I cannot wait to cut into this soap to see that design. Are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your Blue Lagoon Tropical Dream cocktail. Wow, that looks nice. Who's thirsty? Who is thirsty right now? Because this looks like a mixed drink. This looks like a dream. This looks like a tropical drink. This looks awesome. Look at, it's like every face of this soap has some type of ombre. Look at the top. Look at the sides. Look at the front. Look at the back. Every pinch of this soap has some kind of ombre effect on it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It came out absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful way to get more colors in your soap with using less colors. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to start cleaning up these bars of soaps, beveling them, planing them, cleaning them up, and getting them ready for the cruise, honey, because this soap is ready. Now that we got our soaps cut, let's go ahead and clean up on aisle 7. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. We have the cruise to get on and some Bahama Mamas to drink. Please hurry. Let's begin cleaning up the edges of our soaps, planing off the top layer to get that vibrant color, and look at that. Taking it up to another level. That soap, like, I want to get in the shower right now. That soap looks gorgeous. And the scent on this soap, which I didn't discuss, is absolutely phenomenal. The fragrance is called Fresh Bamboo Fragrance Oil. It's made by the Flaming Candle. It's a very light, elegant scent. Its top notes are green stems and leaves. Middle notes are fern, spice, and floral. And bottom notes are orange, blossom, and clear musk. It's a very light, beautiful, elegant scent. It complements this soap design very well. It makes you feel like going on a cruise or taking a shower under the sun or just relaxing on a beach with that warm sun hitting your skin. It's just a very beautiful, light scented fragrance oil for your soap. Raise your hand if you feel like going on a cruise right now. Right now. Where do I buy the ticket? Me. Y'all heard about that 4-year cruise they have? 4-year cruise to escape it all, honey. United States is going through it. But wherever you located, I want you to think positive thoughts. If you're going through it, my heart is with you. My positive vibes is being sent to you because there's a lot going on, I'm telling you. But we're going to be making soap and trying to think good, positive thoughts over here. I hope you really enjoyed this soap design. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Please like, share, subscribe so the algorithm can recognize little old me. And regardless of the color of your skin, protect it because it's beautiful, and protect your beautiful energy. I see you on the next one. Ciao for now.